Welcome. Exercise questions continued. Today I will do 3 exercise questions for pin jointed plane frames with 2 hinged supports. See, 2 hinged. This also I told. Hinge is not shown here. When they give this way, I told. Okay, later. No. First class. Today's question. See, make a note. You should write all this. Question 83. Both A and B, they are given hinges. Okay, clear. See here, hinges. Question 84, they gave something like a fixed support. But in pin jointed frame, fixed support is not there. Therefore, later when I put the sketch, I am showing a pin here and a pin here. Maybe this line I will maintain. Same thing for question number 85 coming up. For both above questions, see, 83 and 84, what to do? Find axial forces in all members by method of joints. Then verify results for the members. See, AC, AD and BD for question 83. And next question, which one? CE, see here, CE, CD and BD for next question, for 84. Question 85, I will give it later after completing. Okay, now start first. Before that, you go back to earlier classes. I have given lot of explanation for frames with the 2 hinged supports. I told very clearly there, even though 2 hinged supports are there, total reactions are, it looks like 4. It is not 4. It is only 3 under the condition what? One of the hinges, only one member attached and no member connecting the 2 hinges. These all already told earlier. So we are in a exercise question. What is told earlier repeatedly cannot be told. One class I spent only for this explanation. So serious people will go through it. Others, as usual, leave. Okay. Now start question number. See, somewhere here. I will first go to, see, I start here. Okay. First I will go to question number, which one? 83. 83. See here. One more thing okay. Write a neat sketch. Make a note. No need of finding reactions. But one thing, see, I wrote some up 92, down 92, left 75. Green color values. These green color values are the reactions. But class, you never bother. If you know, you calculate. I told earlier how to find those reactions. I told earlier, but actually I told not required. You start from other side. See here. See, I will start. See now what I am doing. As I solve this question, see this question, lengthy question, little bigger. So result I am doing in front of you. For next question and one more question, I will write the result before I start the camera or before I start recording, because I don't have to prove that now I can do directly using calculator. I don't have to prove. You know it. Anyway, when I can do directly using calculator, this question, nobody can tell this he cannot solve and next one he cannot solve. They are easier. So, because if I solve in front of you, it will take a little time. So, one question where difficulty is there, I will do in front of you. Okay, I'll start now. See, no questions to be asked. Sir, how to start? See, one more thing. These 3 members, angle theta 1, 3 by 5, theta 2, 2 by 5, theta 3, 4 by 5, tan inverse. There is no place to write here. So I wrote theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. angles are here. Okay, now start. See what I am doing. Start from joint G. Over 20 divided by, that is cos 30.964. This I will do only for this question. Next question, see, I don't have to prove it. If I give earlier, no one will tell, oh, he already solved somewhere else and entered. I am doing in front of you now. Okay. 23.324. 23.324. As usual, I do not want to waste time writing kilonewton. Space is not there. Into sine, how much? 30.964. 12. Exactly 12 kilonewton. Okay. Actually 12 point not. Okay. Now I will come to E joint. How I decide arrow mark, you never bother. 23.324 into how much it is? Cos 30.964. Actually, waste of time. It is 20 that force only. 20 and 23.324 into sine of 30.964. 12. This is I am actually I know the answer. I am calculating only for checking purpose. Okay. I will come to joint F. See here. First I will vertical horizontal. Okay. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 divided by cos 21.801. Why means you never bother. Why never bother means these are all explained to you. 53.851. 851 into sine 21.801. 19.99 is 20. If that is 20, another 12 down, this will be 32 up. 32 up here. Okay, this also over. Now I will come to joint C. D I cannot go. C. See, reactions not required. If I come to joint C, 53.851 into cos 21.801 for 50. Exactly 50 this way. Why 50? You calculate 50. Then 53.851 into sine 21.801 is 20. 20 up and 12 up. 20 up and 12 up is 32 down. Why means you? Okay, I should not answer this question now. 32. Now I will go to this joint. That joint is horizontal. How much? 50. 50 plus 25. Total is 75. Divided by cos 38.660. 96.047. 96.047 is this force. I will come here. Into sine 38.660 is 60. 60 down plus another 32 down. 92 up. 92 up. Okay. I got forces in all the members. Now, those who are observing, they can make out, you should decide one thing. So many people, they may require more than 1 hour for this one. I did slowly, without writing anything. I got the answer. I am not praising myself. Don't think that way. This is to give inspiration to you, I am telling. You understand the basic concept, study thoroughly. What all I tell in the class, go throughout the course. Mechanics, SOM and SA. Tomorrow, you will have unparalleled knowledge. Remember. Okay. Now, I will check the answer. Checking not required. Okay. Now, if this is down 92, the reaction is up 92. Oh, yes. Correct. This I wrote in the beginning only. Then here, up 32 and up 32 and up 96.047 into sine of 38.660, net force vertical is up 92, down 92, perfectly tally. And this component 96.047 into cos of 38.660 is 75 to right side, balancing 75 left side. See, the green color value I decided earlier. How I got it, you don't bother. How I actually you don't bother means I earlier told it, but not required. You start from free and solve. Okay, now time has come where method of section also I will start briefly. Now onwards questions will become purely exercise. But even though exercise, little I will tell. Okay. To verify the results for member here AC, AD and BD. See now, this member, see here correct clear. This member, this member and this member. So apply a horizontal cut. See, consider section XX cutting these three members. So therefore, and one more thing, consider equilibrium of pin jointed frame upper side glass. You have to consider upper side compulsorily. See, someone will tell, sir, I can do very easily by looking lower side. No, if you look the lower side, no doubt you can solve, but then you require the reactions. Someone will tell, sir, reactions are there. No, this is the reaction I calculated using my structural knowledge. If you are in a position to calculate these reactions, if you got the capacity, then you can do one thing. You can look lower side. No, I advise for both pin support, wherever you cut, look that side where reactions are not there, look upper side. If you look upper side, see, upper side, see, C, D, E, F, G are intact. I wrote everything 3 meter, 2 meter. See, this length is 5 meter. Okay, this length is 5 meter. And when we are cutting this member, for that member, angle is how much? Theta 3, 38.660. No space right here. See, this theta 3 is here. You require only theta 3. Okay, then see, you are cutting here. See, you are cutting here. Now, you are verifying, see, looking upper side, you are verifying these three results. Since you are verifying, if you are not verifying, I told this is, I am telling 10th time now. If you are not knowing, take all outwards. Later, if it is wrong, negative sign will come. But now you are verifying. So when you verify here, look upper side, you know the answer is like this. See? You know the answer. See here, PCA down. And you know this answer, PDA. See, it is this way. You know the answer. When you know the answer, don't assume wrong. This is the up. Since you know the answer, do not assume. You write whatever answer you got on the upper side, enter that answer. Now do one thing. Exercise question. 3 unknowns are there. Among the 3 unknown, 2 unknowns are meeting at the joint D. Take moment about T. Okay. See, 25 into 0, 30 into 2, 20 into 5, all clockwise. Then minus PCA into 5 equal to 0. Your PCA will come. I will calculate PCA. See, using calculator, but turned other way. Plus 32 kilonewton. Why? Because I know the answer and I know it will come. Okay, then sigma h, see, sigma v, if you make, all 3 will come. First make sigma h 0. Then minus PDA cos theta 3 plus 25 plus 30 plus 20 equal to 0. PDA will come plus 96.047. See, now exercise started. Sigma V0 minus PCA plus PDB minus PDA sin theta 3, that's all, equal to 0. By this time, you know PCA, you know PDA, Substitute, we will get PDB plus 92 over. Now, one statement you are right. All we got positive means what direction we considered are correct. And actually, we considered the same direction which we got by method of join. So, direction wise correct. Numerically, 32, 32. 96.04, beautiful. 92, 92. Right here, perfectly tallying, 100% tallying. Therefore, the solution is fully correct. Okay, now question 83 over question 84 and 85. I have decided not to waste time. See, this calculation I will do before recording. Nobody can tell. When I can do directly in front of you without looking here and there, when I enter the answer for this big question, after all, a silly simple question, 84. 85 is again simple question, just with one load. So to save the time, because it is exercise, I will write everything on the board and briefly tell. Okay, get ready for it. Now, question 84. See, they told something like a fixed support here. It is not fixed. I told it is hinges only. If you got confusion, go back to earlier classes. I made a title there. The special case of frames with the two hinged support with only one member connected to one of the hinges and no member connecting the two hinges, thoroughly explained. Therefore, people who want to understand should go earlier. Okay, see now. First, calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. See here. I put the sketch. This member, not that one. See. 6, 10. I wrote everything here. I put the pin here. Okay. Now, this member angle tan theta 2.5 by 4. I wrote the angle theta 1. Next member 3 by 4. It is angles are ready. Okay. Now, start from joint E. You will get these two forces. See, I told you, do not start from this side because why? Reactions are not calculated, not required. If both are hinged support, I told reactions not required. Start from other side. Start from E, you will get these two forces. Go to D, this already known, you will get these two forces. Come to C, you get these two forces. Happily enjoy and solve. I wrote the answer. I don't have to in front of you. It took, I tell you, it took only half minute for me. Okay, then what I did was, green color is the reaction. Someone will tell, sir, you are not telling. Who told I am not telling? I told very thoroughly earlier how to find reactions, but I told you, you never bother. Your purpose is served here. Why you want? So to understand. If you want to understand, study earlier. It is so systematically told. Okay. And actually, I will tell you, there is reactions I got by green color earlier, and if I find the reaction by these member forces, beautifully tally. Okay. Then, second part of the question. See here, question 84. They want to verify for member. See here, CE. See correct clear where they want. They want CE, CD, and DBD. So make a cut here. See this way. Make a cut here. See, then only one joint is intact. Which joint? Sorry. C and D are intact. C and D. Then see here. Your cut is, see now, your cut is something like this. And you are looking upper side. Should not look lower side, because if you look lower side, reactions are there. If you got capacity, anyway, no. Upper side is so easier. So look upper side. Okay, then since you are checking the answer, This force I will take like this. See, EC. This force I will take like this. DC. This force I will take like this because you are checking the answer. Among the three, two are meeting at the point D. Take moment about D. You get minus PEC into 4 plus 6 into, oh, I forgot distance here, plus 6 into how much? This is 2.5. 2.5 meter equal to 0. You will get the value of PEC. So calculate if you want. 6 into 2.5 divided by 4. 3.75 kilonewton positive. We will get plus 3, actually I should calculate, plus 3.75 kilonewton. Sigma V0 make first because why? Okay, anything. It makes, now you got which one? We got PEC. See, this is over. Sigma V0 plus PDB minus PEC equal to 0. We will get PDB because PEC is already known. PDB will come. Okay, PDB will come. Sigma H0 minus PDC plus 6. That's all. Equal to 0. This will come plus 6. Plus 6 kilonewton. That will come. I will calculate which one? PDB. 3.75 plus. Correct? Huh? Yes, plus 3.75 kilonewton. It started raining now. No problem. Next question will be silent question. If it rains also, no problem. Okay, now see. All positive. Check the answer. 3.75, 6 and 3.75. Statement right. Perfectly tallying. 100% correct. Everything over. Now I will go to last question. Question 84. What I will do is, like this question, I don't have to prove I can do in front of you. I will write the question here, method of joint here, method of section there. I will write and in 2 or 3 minutes I will finish that one because exercise questions. Okay. Light rain started, so anyway, no problem. Even if it's rain comes, nothing to worry. See, question here, 85, correct? 83, 84, 85. See, rain is becoming more now. Okay. Find axial forces in all members by method of joints. Verify for AC, AD and BD method of sections. 2 hinged support. Now I won't tell anything. First calculation of axial forces by method of joints. See, this if I take this theta, tan theta equal to 4 by 3. Same angle theta here also, 4 by 3. Therefore, theta will come. Both are equal angle. It is a single line. See, this type of question we have solved earlier. 53.13. Okay, now start. High speed start. Oh, 90 divided by 0.8. 112.5. All are in kilonewton. 867.5. Over. Actually, I told you earlier, no. I decided to do in front of you only. Okay. Then come to joint E. 112.5. Okay, I am doing in front of you only. To give you purpose is to give you more incentive or inspiration, not to show my capacity. See, these are all. I did not write kilonewton. I told. 90. 90. Come here. 67.5. Over. Here. Up, down. Up. 90. Come to this joint. That is 112.5. 12.5 into 0.6 is 67.5. Huh? 0 now. How 0? Some, I think there may be mistake. One Nisha. It can't be 0. Is it 0? 1 minute. 9. Yes, it is 0. Correct. 0 is correct. Perfect. Okay. I got it. Why? You don't bother. I got it. Why 0? Then here, vertical. 180. 180 is off. Yes, I got y0. Got it. Okay, now, not required till I will write green color value here. Green color value. I will put the reactions here. For those who are serious, how I find reactions, I will do from seeing the frame. Into 6. 9. 120. 90 into 3 plus 3 is 6. 90 into 3 plus 3 is 90 into 6 divided by 3. 180 here, up reaction. 180 up here, down 180. And horizontal reaction is 0 here. Now, if you check here, see, 180 balances. Then here, no, sorry, it is not, it is down 90. Oh, I should be careful. 90 because sigma V0, it is down 90. Okay, sorry. Sometime, see, too late. Suddenly in a hurry I did it because it is vertical load. If it is horizontal load, both are equal. I can make out, see, 180 balances, 90 balances. You never bother. You solve like our natural question. Green color is over now. Okay, now, to verify the results for, see, this member, show a cut like this. Show a cut like that. Okay, x-axis. Look upper side. Don't look lower side. Why? If you look lower side, you have to find reactions. Some will tell, I can find that. If you can find the reaction, look lower side. Okay. Now, see, when you cut here, C, D, E, F intact. Then this force, C to A. See, I know the answer. It is like this. I know it is this way. See here. And this is PDB. I know it is like this. Here, I got 0. But 0, you have to get it. So, randomly put some direction. Anyway, 0. Okay. Take moment about D. Why D? I should not tell. See, minus PCA into 3 plus 90 into 3 equal to 0. PCA will come plus 90. Plus 90 kilonewton. Sigma H equal to 0. Minus PDA cos theta, that's all, equal to 0. PDA will come 0. Sigma V0 plus PDB minus PCA minus 90 equal to 0. PDB will come plus 180. Plus 180 kilonewton. Right. Now, all positive because we consider same direction. And 90, 0, 180. Write the statement. Result by method of sections for those members for which you have to verify which you got by method of joint is 100% tallying. Therefore, everything is correct. Over now. 3 questions are over 85. Tomorrow also I will do 3 questions. But what I will do is the 2 hinges, frame going upward. Now I will put 2 hinges. See, I will make 2 hinges, but the frame will go right side. See here, this way. Some 2-3 questions I will solve there. One question with plenty of loads, where in front of you I will get the answer. Next 2 questions, simple questions. Study everything, get maximum knowledge. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.